Hello. Ha, hello.
It was lovely in the film. Did you ever see the Jazz Singer?
I think 5 years ago, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good film.
Very good.
I think he did very well for a first time acting job.
Was it really? Oh.
Yeah.
Well, all I'll say is, this looks like Alan Wallbank's Black John Deacon
Black
bass.
covered in crap bass.
You got like half a ton of wood dust on your your arm.
Where has it come from? Off me, probably. Yeah, it's come off.
Yeah, it's all over your arm. It's
yeah.
covered in it. So this is the bass that you've made. Then you took all the hardware off that other bass he had.
Yeah. Yeah. So I've made him this bass. I think we'll get rid of all the crap on it now, shall we? I like to use brushes on the guitars because they're very soft. These very soft brush.
And you got a blowing system.
Yeah, I've got a blowing system.
Blast it.
This just seems to do a nicer job.
Blast.
And it's quite. What's the name in?
Therapeutic.
That's the one. And just give it a blow with your mouth. There you go.
That's it. There you
Blow
go.
DNA all over it.
I knew compressed air would come into it at some point. Only a matter of time. So
it will probably have to go down to the spray booth to be blown.
John, who the fucking hell I'm talking about? Alan will be very impressed and pleased.
Yeah.
That he's currently on holiday and all he's thinking about, he's currently on holiday and I think all he can think about is his basses, to be honest.
That's good.
Mm.
He's still enthusiastic.
He is, yeah. Chomping at the bit to get back and get out gigging again.
Oh yes. While we're in here, there's a truss rod I've made.
It is, yeah.
From it's stainless, but it's going in the Les Pauls.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I've got to make that one next.
Yeah. So back on the bases, come on.
So back on the bass.
No distraction.
It's a nice slow action. You like slow action?
Do you think that's a standard thing with musicians? You know, when you go away with your wife and everything, you don't actually really want to be there, do you?
No, a lot of the times you don't. You want to get back to the job.
Back to your mates and like gigging and stuff. And it's like a chore having to be away for a week.
Yeah.
I get the impression that most musicians are like that.
Well, I'm going away the whole of September, on and off. I'll be in and out.
Yeah, but you do like going away, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I haven't been away, have I? Haven't been away.
Um.
I've had to stay at home. I've been a stay-at-home mum. That's the last one I built him last year.
Well, hang on. Let's just do a quick. If you can hold that for a second.
I'll put it there.
So this one here, reminders of the spec, if you can remember.
No, I can't remember.
You can't remember?
Well, no, make him a bass.
Sake.
I think that was the spec.
So it's based on a Precision, 1971. It's supposed to be the same as that.
Yeah, which I made him last year.
Yeah, we all know that. And this one is supposed to be, because John Deacon had two basses.
Yeah.
Do the same. He just took the paint off
No,
one
these
of them.
other ones here.
No, the two basses John Deacon had.
Yeah.
At that period, in 1971 or whatever, they were the same models.
Yes.
He just stripped one of them. That's this one, and then he kept one black. So that's why Alan wants it, for the authenticity of the show.
Yes.
So you've used what kind of wood for the body?
Poplar, both of them. They wanted lighter weight.
Yeah, poplar. It's obviously a Precision style. Rock maple, no doubt.
It is rock maple, yeah.
And rosewood.
Rosewood.
Yeah.
Indian rosewood.
Indian rosewood.
Both of them are Indian rosewood.
Actually, off the same plank, because they're quite.
No, they're the same quality, AAA.
Yeah, because the rosewood can be different colours, can't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything distinctive on the back, or probably not? No.
I say it needs a good polish now. It's had no wax on it or
For
anything.
some reason, I thought his hardware was silver, chrome.
No, it is on that one. It was gold on the black one. And the gold all came off this one. He put on this one. This is his.
It's like a Fender or Squire.
This is the one he's been using.
Yeah, that's right.
With a bare knuckle pickup, which is on that now.
Why didn't you just put a black pickguard on this and use this one?
Well, this had a black pickguard on it, I think.
It's now on here.
I think so.
Well, so he's got you to make him a
I've
guitar.
swapped all the stuff over, right, on that one.
No, but why has he got you to make him a bass that's essentially the same as the one he had?
Because mine's are better. That one's better.
Is that a bit crap? I can't remember. I think he did say there's a problem with it, didn't he? Or
yeah, it isn't so good.
Didn't like it, yeah.
So
Excellent, excellent.
So there's that one. So I've taken all the stuff off and put the original stuff back on that.
Yeah, yeah.
Now this has got a bare knuckle on pickup, same as this.
These pickups here, I've never had a Precision. Oh, I have once.
Yeah.
Is this one pickup together, or is it two little ones?
Two little ones.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wired in series.
I wonder why they just didn't do one pickup. Why do you wouldn't? Why
They did. The first one, it had a little single pickup. You remember, Sting's got one.
Oh yeah, but why did they make them like that then in the end?
Well, that's what they designed.
No, what's the benefit of that?
It's just
Just aesthetics.
the business. You get two pickups in series, so it's, you know, more output.
Is it? Okay. Sorry, good. So the hardware looks...
That should sound the same actually now. We've both got bare knuckles on.
Sounds like Lemmy's Murder 1 bass.
Yeah.
This does.
They're both bare knuckle. They're both reading the same reading.
What bare knuckle pickups are they?
About 11k I think they are, something like that, or 9k. I can't remember.
Do you know what the model is?
This?
No, the model of pickup.
No, I don't.
Bare knuckle Precision
no clue.
pickup. Is there nothing here that tells us? No, that's jazz, isn't it? Yeah. Well, it looks very good.
Well, it will do when it's cleaned up, polished.
Why don't you stand there holding both bases? That'll look nice, won't it? Then we'll fade out on that.
Yeah, you can. It's both these bases.
And if he's watching these videos in Spain, or wherever he is,
Yep.
he'll collapse. Now, Alan, there he is.
There's your bases.
Your old mate Doug Wilkes,
Yep.
with your two bases, and one of them, the black one, is saying, "Come back early, catch an early flight. I'm waiting for you here."
Yeah.
So all done though. All joking aside, it's all done.
All
Just
done.
needs a bit of mum spit
Yeah,
and a bit of a tickle with a cloth. Then it's done.
Yeah, wipe down with some monkey spunk.
Where'd you get your monkey spunk from?
I get it from the pound shop. Lane gets it me. It's
Oh, so when you say monkey spunk, you're referring to our favourite gold beehive juice.
yeah.
Is that what you mean?
I don't know what I mean anymore.
I think you're about 6 months away from the loony bin.
I'm closer than that.
Yeah. Closer. Yeah.
Anyway, there's all these bases.
All these bases.
All done.
I have to charge him stories at this rate.
I know.
There's my guitar there, but I should have that back really.
No, you can't have it back. It needs sorting out.
What's wrong with it? You fucked it up or something?
No, it's done been stud and it's got dust in it.
Oh.
And the pickups aren't sliding around like they
Oh yeah,
should.
there was that. I wonder whether I might get you to shave the neck bit off the neck, actually.
No!
Well, I do own it, so, you know.
No, you don't.
Okay,
You've
now.
got delusions there.
Doug Wilkes, customer friendly, always happy to help. I'm deluded.
Yes, delusions.
I am deluded. I am probably, but even more so when I come here to visit you. Right then, so that's the end of Alan's lovely video.
Well, it isn't. Now I'm in here and I might as well.
No, I'm saying, but that's the end of the part of Alan's video.
Yes.
So here we go. Adios.
Yes, fuck off.